Welcome, savvy viewers, to our channel. Today, we're going into the exciting world of making money online. Whether you're a seasoned digital entrepreneur or a curious beginner, this video is your golden ticket to financial freedom. I'm your friendly guide, and even though you won't see my face, my words will spark your journey. So, grab your favorite beverage, settle in, and let's explore the art of online wealth together. 1. Create an e-commerce site. Picture this. Your own online store, buzzing with potential customers. From beautiful handmade crafts to the latest tech gadgets, the internet is your marketplace. 2. Freelancing. It's like having a digital Swiss Army knife. If you're skilled in writing, design, or coding, you can offer your services to clients worldwide. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect you with clients who need your skills. Remember, your skills are valuable and can be your currency in the freelancing world. 3. Affiliate marketing. Imagine earning commissions by recommending products you love. That's the magic of affiliate marketing. By joining affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, you can promote a variety of products and earn a piece of the profit. To start your affiliate marketing journey, choose a niche you're passionate about. Whether it's funky socks or organic skincare, find something that excites you. Once you've chosen your niche, you can set up your virtual shop and fill your virtual shelves with products you believe in. As you promote these products, share your thoughts and experiences honestly with your audience. People value genuine recommendations, and if you can show your passion for these products, your audience will trust your recommendations and buy through your affiliate links. Remember, affiliate marketing isn't just about making money. It's also about building trust and a loyal audience. By consistently providing valuable content and only recommending products you truly believe in, you can build a community of followers who value your expertise and look forward to your recommendations. In conclusion, whether you choose freelancing or affiliate marketing, the key is to follow your passion and use your skills to create opportunities. With the right mindset, dedication, and a dash of creativity, you can turn your passions into a fulfilling career. So, go ahead and start your exciting journey today. 4. Create an online course. Are you an expert in a certain field? Do you have knowledge or skills you want to share? Then consider creating an online course. Whether you love yoga, coding, or even underwater basket weaving, there are people who want to learn from you. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it easy to share your knowledge and reach a wide audience. So why not dive in and start teaching what you know? 5. Podcasting. Ever dreamed of having your own radio show? Now you can. Podcasting is the new campfire, where stories spark and conversations come alive. With just a microphone and your thoughts, you can create your own podcast and share it with the world. You can interview experts, gain insights, and build a loyal audience who will eagerly listen to your episodes. Plus, you'll sound super cool as you engage and entertain your listeners. 6. Dropshipping. Imagine selling products without ever touching them. Sounds like magic, right? It's not. It's called dropshipping. With dropshipping, you can set up your own online store and partner with suppliers who handle all inventory and shipping. This means you can focus on what you do best: marketing and selling the products. It's a win-win. You don't have to worry about managing inventory or shipping logistics, and your customers get their orders directly from the suppliers. So, if you're looking for a low-risk, high-reward business opportunity, dropshipping is worth considering. By exploring these 3 paths, creating an online course, starting a podcast, or trying dropshipping, you can unleash your creativity and entrepreneurial spirit. So, step out of your comfort zone and seize these exciting opportunities. The summit is waiting for you. And with the right mindset and determination, you can reach new heights of success. Gather around and let me take you on a journey through the realms of marketing and the sweet success it brings. As the curtains draw and the stage is set, our host, with a voice filled with anticipation. But hold on tight, for this is not the end, but merely the beginning of your adventure, as the host's words echo through the air, urging you to immerse yourself in the comments section. A world of possibilities opens up before you. Share your own journey, seek guidance, and connect with a community that is as supportive as it is inspiring. And there you have it. Fellow adventurers, 6 paths to online prosperity. Remember, this is just the beginning. Dive into the comments, share your journey, ask questions, and connect with our supportive community. Until next time. Keep dreaming big, keep hustling, and keep clicking that subscribe button.